Corning Tropel is recognized as a world leader in non-contact laser-based metrology solutions. For more than 25 years, Corning Tropel has provided metrology systems for a variety of applications, including semiconductor, automotive, hydraulics, seals, precision industrial components, and consumer electronics. Tropel metrology systems such as the Flatmaster, Ultra-Flat, and Ultra-Sort are recognized as industry standards for high precision form and flatness measurements. Alternative measurement methods, such as contact gauges, acquire only a small sampling of surface data, are slow, and require complex programming and operator training. Tropel metrology systems are easy to use and provide fast and highly accurate measurement capabilities that improve yield and greatly reduces the time to set up and change over manufacturing lines. We measured the same part on a contact gauge and on the Flatmaster system. The difference in the results from measurement time to the amount of data collected was astounding. No matter what your application, Corning Tropel can design and integrate a system that's right for you. Precision manufacturing specifications are continuously becoming more challenging. These tighter specifications drive the need for more accurate, repeatable, and reproducible measurement systems. The solution to this challenge is the Flatmaster family of products. The Flatmaster offers better than 5 nanometer resolution and a standard accuracy of 50 nanometers. In less than 5 seconds per measurement, the Flatmaster measures flatness, surface profile, form, microwaviness, harmonics, and leak path for a variety of part sizes. With full surface measurements and unprecedented speed and accuracy, the Flatmaster can significantly improve product quality, manufacturing yield, and reduce your manufacturing costs. The Flatmaster MSP is a non-contact laser-based system with a large dynamic range. Its large dynamic range allows simultaneous measurements of multiple surfaces at multiple heights. The Flatmaster MSP is fast. It is capable of measuring up to 1 million data points in less than 30 seconds. The MSP is easy to use. Simply place the part on the measurement window. Select a pre-configured recipe and then select Measure. Within seconds, the MSP analyzes and displays full 3D interactive plots, as well as complete tolerance analysis. This enables the user to analyze all surfaces and the relationships between the surfaces, such as flatness, parallelism, height, and thickness, with sub-micron accuracy, providing superior range to resolution factors. The Flatmaster MSP provides full surface measurements with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Using the Flatmaster MSP will significantly improve product quality, manufacturing yield, and reduce your manufacturing costs. Corning Tropel will partner with you to design a customized metrology solution which can be fully integrated into your manufacturing process. The Tropel Ultra-Sort continues our 25-year tradition of providing metrology solutions to semiconductor wafer manufacturers. Designed for volume wafer production environments, this automated system offers superior performance in qualification of silicon and alternative substrate wafers. This wafer flatness and thickness analysis system includes cassette-to-cassette wafer handling with user-configurable sorting capability. Clean room compliant, the Ultra-Sort integrates a laser-based interferometer with robotic handling. It can measure wafers from 2 to 8 inches in diameter and is well suited for a variety of materials. The Ultra-Sort is designed to be integrated directly into your wafer manufacturing process. Like all Tropel metrology instruments, the Ultra-Sort is easy to use. Simply load the cassette of wafers, select a pre-configured recipe, and select Measure. Within seconds, the Ultrasort analyzes and displays full 3D interactive plots, as well as complete semi-standard tolerance analysis. The Ultrasort measures all the semi-standard wafer parameters, including stepper simulation. In addition, it provides full surface measurements and unprecedented speed and accuracy. Using the Ultrasort will significantly improve product quality, manufacturing yield, and reduce your manufacturing costs. The ability to document superior wafer quality will enable you to command premium pricing for your product. The Tropel ultra-flat system, with its 6-nanometer total measurement uncertainty, is the premier flatness measurement tool available on the market. For 65-nanometer node and beyond, photomask flatness is more important than ever. Blank flatness and manufacturing processes combine to consume the depth of focus and image placement error budgets. The process of manufacturing pattern masks is especially challenging due to smaller feature size and double patterning. Mask bending inherent in the manufacturing process is now critical due to its impact on image placement error. Mask flatness is a key parameter impacting yield. The ultra-flat is designed for use in all stages of photomask manufacturing and is available with cassette-to-cassette handling or SMIF interface, as well as an optional Class 1 enclosure. The robotic handling options are designed to be easily integrated into all stages of your manufacturing processes. The ultra-flat will significantly improve product quality, manufacturing yield, and reduce your manufacturing costs. In addition, the ability to document superior photomask quality will enable you to command premium pricing for your product. Corning continues to innovate and bring new solutions to the marketplace. Whatever your application, Tropel Metrology Instruments has a solution to fit your metrology requirements.